Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 3, Lesson 1D. The last lesson we learned how to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. Now, today we're going to learn about converting an improper fraction to a mixed number. Now, again, you should have somewhere on your paper the word convert equals change. Remember, all we're doing is changing. So to do so, we take the 4 and the 4/3, and we're going to change it into division. So I'm going to get my pen and I'm going to make my division bracket. Now, the number on top goes inside, the number on bottom goes here. I'm going to say 3 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract it, and that's going to get me 1 left over. Now, here's where it gets really tricky, okay? And this is what I want you to know, okay? The number on top, whole number. The little piece, the remainder is the leftover. So let's say remainder 1, that's this here. And remember, the denominator doesn't change. Okay, here we go. Let's try a couple of these. So again, I'm going to change 17 under the bracket, division bracket, divided by 4. 4 goes into 17. Well, I know 4 times 4 is 16. Subtract that, I get 1. So remainder 1. So remember, number on top is 4. The remainder, which is 1, is the numerator. And the denominator doesn't change. Great job. Let's try it again. 13 divided by 9. Well, I know that 9 can only go into 13 one time. That's going to give me a remainder of 4, whole number, because that's how many whole pieces, whole pies we have. 4 is the remainder, it goes on the top. 9 stays the same. Okay, here we go. 29 divided by 6. Well, 6 times 4 equals 24. If I subtract that, gives me 5, so remainder 5. Remember, whole number, pieces, stays the same. Okay, now it is your turn to try. Go ahead and try these 3 problems, and then come back and see if you did them correctly. All right, let's look at this. We should have had 26 divided by 3. Well, I know 3 times 8 is 24. I'm going to subtract this. Gives me 2 left over. Remainder 2. Remember, whole number, pieces, stays the same. Okay, let's try the next one. 32 divided by 15. Well, I know 2 times 15 is 30. If I subtract that, I get 2 leftovers, remainder 2. So again, whole number, pieces, stays the same. Great job. Last one, 38 divided by 7. Well, I know 7 times 5 equals 35. If I subtract it, I get 3. The remainder 3. Now remember, when you're dividing, if your remainder is ever bigger than the number outside that we're dividing, or the divisor, you didn't take enough out. So you can't have a bigger remainder than the divisor. All right, so whole number, pieces, stays the same. Great job. And that's the end of Unit 3, Lesson 1D, Converting Improper Fractions. Now it is time for you to go back to class craft and continue on your path. See you for the next lesson. Bye.